Okay, this is what we have today on this property. They're having foundation issues. So this area right here is pretty flat. So what happens is when it rains, since they don't have gutters, the water stays in this area and it's causing the foundation to raise a little bit. So what we're going to do is we are going first to raise the sprinkler heads to make sure they're not buried, and also add soil and raise the level on this side. We're going to raise it about 4 to 5 inches, and then we're going to fit it out so when it rains the water is actually going to drain in that direction and not stay within this area and cause a problem for the foundation. So we're going to do that from this corner all the way to that corner right there. And then also our guys are removing all of this shrub, because what it's doing is preventing the water from draining in this direction. The way the property is graded, it's supposed to drain over this direction, and along this side, since these guys were put in a while back, they grew quite a bit, so they're blocking the water flow towards that direction. So that is going to go away and allow water to flow freely or drain in that direction. All right, that will solve our issue.